Universal Orlando is magical, thrilling, and sweaty. You need a packing plan, not a scroll through TikTok and pray plan, a real one. So here it is. Lightweight backpack or sling bag. Go too bulky? Hello, locker fees. Go too small? Now you're a walking regret. Hat, sunscreen, sunglasses, cooling towel or neck fan. Poncho, especially for water rides, or live dangerously and dry off via Hulk coaster wind force. Phone plus portable charger. Screenshot tickets and lightning lane QR codes. Battery dies? So does your chance to mobile order pizza. Refillable bottle? Free water at Coke Freestyle machines. Quick snacks? Granola bars, trail mix, Band-Aids, ibuprofen, motion sickness pills. Pro tip, pack Tums. That second butterbeer hits different. Tissues, wipes, hand sanitizer, credit card and ID in waterproof pouch. Souvenir tote, hello wand shop. ID bracelet if with kids. Yes, your kid will try to run off when they see minions. Be ready. There you go. Pack smart, play hard, and don't let a sunburn ruin your selfie with Velocicoaster. Grab the printable checklist in the description. We also have links to some of the needed items. Subscribe for more universal hacks.